There's a hidden side of Linux that most people never truly experience, and once you see it in action, it completely changes how you think about your computer, your workflow, and even your control over technology. When people talk about Linux, they usually focus on the surface things like customization, open source software, or maybe privacy. But beneath all of that, there's a powerful feature that quietly exists in almost every Linux system. Something so flexible and so transformative that it can turn your PC into something far beyond what Windows or Mac OS users are used to. And the wild part is, most Linux users don't even fully take advantage of it. What I'm talking about is the combination of the Linux kernel's control over system resources with a concept called namespace and groups, which together power things like containers. Now, before you think this is just for developers or server admins, stay with me, because this isn't just about running Docker or spinning up isolated environments. This is about fundamentally reshaping how your PC behaves, how applications run, and how you interact with your system on a daily basis. Imagine being able to run applications in completely isolated environments where they can't touch your main system unless you explicitly allow it. Imagine installing software without worrying about dependencies breaking your system. Imagine testing risky programs, customizing environments for different tasks, or even running multiple versions of the same app at the same time without conflict. That's the level of control we're talking about here, and it's all built into Linux at a very deep level. At its core, this hidden feature is about isolation and control. Linux allows you to create lightweight, fully isolated environments that behave almost like separate computers, but without the overhead of traditional virtual machines. Unlike VMs, which require a full guest operating system, containers and namespace let you isolate processes using the same kernel. This means they are incredibly fast, efficient, and seamless. Think about how you currently use your PC. You install apps. They share the same system libraries, and over time things can get messy. Conflicts happen, updates break things, and uninstalling software doesn't always clean everything up. Now imagine a system where every application runs in its own clean environment, with its own dependencies, its own configuration, and zero risk of interfering with anything else. That's not a dream scenario. That's already possible on Linux. This is where tools like Docker, Podman, and even Flatpak come into play. But the real magic isn't the tools themselves, it's what they're built on. Linux namespace allow processes to have their own view of the system, including file system, network, and process IDs. Control groups or groups manage how much CPU, memory, and other resources those processes can use. Together, they give you granular control over everything running on your machine. Now let's take this out of the abstract and bring it into real-world use. Imagine you're a content creator or developer. You need different environments for different projects. One project requires Python 3.8, another needs Python 3.12, on Windows or Mac OS. This can quickly turn into a mess of version managers and conflicting setups. On Linux, you can spin up separate containers, each with its own environment, and switch between them instantly. Or maybe you're concerned about security. You download a file from the internet, but you're not completely sure if it's safe. Instead of risking your entire system, you run it inside a container. Even if something goes wrong, your main system stays untouched. It's like having a built-in sandbox that you can create and destroy at will. And it doesn't stop there. This feature also opens the door to something even more powerful: reproducibility. You can create an environment once, define exactly how it should behave, and then recreate it anywhere, anytime. This means your workflow becomes consistent across different machines. Whether you're on your desktop, laptop, or even a remote server, everything works exactly the same. Now here's where things get really interesting. This isn't just about developers or advanced users anymore. Modern Linux distributions are starting to integrate these concepts into everyday desktop use. Flatpak, for example, uses similar isolation principles to run desktop applications in sandboxed environments. This means better security, easier updates, and fewer compatibility issues. So even if you've never touched Docker or Podman, you're already benefiting from this hidden feature without realizing it. But if you take the time to explore it further, you unlock a whole new level of control over your system. Another aspect that makes this so powerful is performance. Because containers share the host kernel, they are incredibly lightweight compared to virtual machines. You can run dozens of isolated environments without significantly impacting your system's performance. This efficiency is one of the reasons why Linux dominates the server world, but it's just as relevant on the desktop. Let's talk about customization, because this is where Linux truly shines. With this feature, you're not just customizing your desktop appearance or tweaking settings. You're customizing the very way applications interact with your system. You can limit how much CPU a program uses, restrict its access to files, or even control its network connectivity. For example, you can run a browser inside a container with no access to your home directory. Even if the browser is compromised, your personal files remain safe. You can create a development environment that has access to specific folders and nothing else. You can experiment with new software without worrying about breaking your system. This level of control is simply not available in traditional operating systems in such a seamless and integrated way. Windows has some sandboxing features, Mac OS has certain restrictions, but Linux gives you full control, without locking you into a specific ecosystem. And here's something most people don't realize. This feature also enables something called immutable systems. Some modern Linux distributions are taking advantage of this by making the base system read-only, while applications run in isolated containers. This approach dramatically improves system stability and security. Updates become atomic, meaning they either succeed completely or fail without breaking your system. This is a completely different way of thinking about operating systems. Instead of constantly modifying the base system, you treat it as a stable foundation, and everything else runs on top in isolated layers. It's like having a clean slate every time, without actually reinstalling your OS. Now you might be wondering, why isn't this more mainstream? The truth is, it's starting to be. The tech world is gradually moving in this direction, but Linux has had this capability for years. It's just been hiding in plain sight, mostly used by developers and system administrators. But as tools become more user-friendly and distributions continue to evolve, this feature is becoming more accessible to everyday users. And once you start using it, it's hard to go back. The idea of installing software directly onto your system, dealing with dependency issues, and worrying about breaking things starts to feel outdated. There's also a philosophical aspect to this. Linux has always been about giving users control, and this feature embodies that principle perfectly. It doesn't force you into a specific way of doing things. Instead, it gives you the building blocks and lets you decide how to use them. You can keep things simple and use Flatpak for sandboxed apps, or you can dive deeper and start creating your own containers, defining custom environments, and automating your workflows. The choice is entirely yours. And that's what makes this so powerful. It's not just a feature, it's a paradigm shift. It changes how you think about software, security, and system management. It turns your PC into a flexible platform that can adapt to your needs in ways that traditional operating systems simply can't match. As you explore this further, you'll start to see opportunities everywhere. You'll realize that many of the limitations you've accepted as normal are actually just artifacts of older system designs. With Linux, those limitations disappear, and you gain a level of freedom that's hard to describe until you experience it yourself. So the next time someone tells you Linux is just about customization or open source software, remember this. Beneath the surface, there's a hidden feature that can completely transform your PC. It's not flashy. It doesn't get a lot of attention, but it's one of the most powerful tools you can have. And once you start using it, your PC will never feel the same again.